Hey, we're on location here. We're gonna talk a little bit today about a Socozi remote. This love seat here that you see is got this Socozi remote and it's not working. Unfortunately, this sometimes happens with the Socozi remote. It's got a lot of buttons, a lot going on here, so we have to replace it. So we're gonna show you how to replace those today. We've gone ahead and we've brought a replacement remote for this Socozi remote. You can see this is what it looks like. We got a little coil and then we're gonna go down and we're gonna plug it in. But on Socozi chairs, so you know, there's three different kinds of remotes. There's this standard Socozi remote, this oval kind of wand, and then there's another zero gravity wand, and then there's another one that's actually the lift chair wand. They all have the exact same connection. It's this 4-pin connection with a screw hole, and we're gonna actually go around you on the back to show you what it's like, but just so you know, it's different. This is a 4-pin connection rather than a 5-pin connection, and we'll show you how to hook it up right now. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've flipped the love seat up here on its face so that we can then access the back panel. On Southern Motion, it's really simple. It's just a Velcro little deal. We undo the back so we can get access to everything and see what's going on. So as you'll see, like I said earlier, the remote that we talked about, this is the replacement remote. This remote comes right here. It's a little screw. We unscrew it. You'll know it's the right one because it has a 4-pin connection right here. Now this 4-pin connection right here goes into this junction box, which we're going to talk about in a later video. But for now, to replace this remote, all you need to do is simply unplug this. You'll follow it through the chair, and this chair is just going to go right up to the seat. Replace it. Once it's replaced, we're going to plug this back in, take the screw, put it back on this, make sure that our fittings stay tight and they don't come loose. Make sure that this cord is not stuck in between anything here that's going to get pinched or cut the cable. Obviously, that's what causes the remote not to work. Make sure you have plenty of cord to work with. And I like to put this part up here like this so that you have all that cable to work with. All right, we're going to talk about this conversion cable for a second. So on the Socozi, as I mentioned before, and when we talked about, if you've watched any of our other videos, is this little connection here is a 4-pin connection. Now, most motors, buttons and controls, remotes have a 5-pin. So this is a 4-pin. So a lot of times customers will get these and be confused saying, hey, what is this? On my chair, I only have a 5-pin connection that looks like this or something similar, a female. Well, on some Socozi models, if you do not find the right connection, you can't find this little 4-pin connection, you might be missing what's called a conversion cable. So this conversion cable takes a 4-pin connection, allows you to plug it into here, and if you get it in the right way, it's real simple. You'll plug this in, it goes right on, screw it in, make sure it's tight, and then you're gonna take this 5-pin connection, and on certain newer models of the junction box, depending on which model you have, this 5-pin connection will actually plug into the side of the junction box, allowing you then to have functionality from your remote. So if for some reason it's not working for you, you need to make sure you have this conversion cable. If not, you can purchase a conversion cable to get your Socozi chair working again.